Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I want to make demo video for my project smart home. So in here, if you can see, this is series switch, and this is single switch. This dimmer for the fan, and this is relay module. It's just like
belum connect.
it's just like switch, but you can control from the laptop. So for the first, there is manual mode. So you turn off and turn on the lamp with manual. You can see. After that, for the second mode, there is automatic mode. So we control the lamp using website. We can control the lamp and the fan. So like you can see, you can control the lamp from the website.
Also the fan.
And also the fan. Also, we can use the lamp for automatic using the
Micro:bit.
sensor, LDR sensor. So we can control using LDR sensor, like you can see. So when there is
There is light.
so when there is light,
This.
when there is light, it will
Turn off.
from here.
Range if-nya. Itu range if-nya berapa?
Ya 400 lah.
So when the LDR dark, the lamp will be on, and when there is light, the lamp will off, like this.
I connect first.
Wait, connect first.
Done. Yeah. This is off and then turn off.
Try. Using this.
Forward.
So when the LDR dark, the lamp will be on. When the LDR, when there is light, the lamp will be off.
Like this.
You can see.
This get turn on and turn off by this automatic option, and you can also use a manual like this or automatic.
So maybe that's all from us. Last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on my micro:bit project, that is Smart Class. In this project named Smart Class, we made a contraption that can turn on and turn off lights, and yeah, I want to add here. So basically, in this project we have two modes. One is manual and one is automatic. The manual mode will be able you will be able to turn on and off the lights inside your website or the switch in real life back there. And for the manual version, it will read the sensor's value. If it's over maybe 500, which is quite dark, for reason for that, it will turn on the light, and the higher the number is, the darker it is. So if it's below 500, it will automatically turn off again. Basically just an automatic light. And also it also turns off and on the fan as well. And if and that's basically the premise of our project here. It works in two different modes. It has a manual and a auto mode. Basically that's it. I'm gonna show you my website here that controls the constructions to turning on and off the lights, and controlling the fan. And the website itself is very simple. There's this configuration database thing. Basically you connect the database, which is in Firebase. I have the Firebase in here. Basically I've connected Firebase to this website. This is not a real website. It's offline, so it runs on my PC directly using Vercel. And as you can see here, the code basically just connects the microbit and to the website, or in here at least to the laptop itself, that gives the data from the website gives the data all the way to Firebase, which the website can interpret and print inside this terminal here. So the output, usually as you can be later seeing, is something like this. Basically the name is first in the variable, and then there is a certain number. If it's digital, it's 1 or 0. If it's analog, it can be 1,000. It can be more than 1,000 to 0. Okay. And the naming function, or the naming function, is to differentiate between the parameters here, between a fan or this auto. Later we'll be speaking about that, and also the light. Basically the differentiator between the numbers inside of our variable is the name. And how the code works is it reads the terminal, and if it sees the exact name of the parameter that exists in our website here, it will go and it will go into this if then statement, which in this if then statement it will continue and read into the numbers, and numbers will be outputted into the digital pin. So whatever number is in the terminal output, it will put it into the digital pin. And as you can see, it is separated by two variables. First is name, and then number. It's very simple. So basically name just reads the name and then stop until the the comma, and then the number continues until the end, until the new line like this. After that, as you can see, it differentiates between the string and then the number. It converts the input terminal input into a number, because it's originally a string inside this website, like that. Also, this is basically how it works. it's more like this, but basically the website, I mean the microbit, sends the data from Bluetooth to the Firebase and then goes to the IoT website, and then also the IoT website can also can change the value inside of the Firebase as well through the parameters here. There's the read parameters that are controlled entirely by the sensors, and then there is the normal parameters, and there is two modes here that I'll be explaining. Basically, there's auto mode and manual. The manual mode where you put in the parameter and then you can turn it on and off inside the website. There's the if we make the parameter, maybe it's a switch, and we make it. We need to connect it to a Firebase. We need to connect first to do that, but later I'll show you what you mean with the Omar's demo. If it's 1, it's on, and if it's 0, it's off, like that. And it works also the same for the auto, except the auto, we output the number from the website to a variable instead of a into digital pin, because on forever here, if the auto variable is equal to 1, which is the output inside the website, it will go inside an index if, then that will turn on and see if the variable the analog pin is that reads the light sensor has the value of less than 300. If it's true, then it will turn off because there's a lot of light. The higher the number is, the darker it is. That's how the LDR pins, the light sensor works. And then else, if it's more than 300, that means kind of dark. It will just instantly turn on the light, and it's automatic. It also turns on the fan as well. There's pin 1 and pin 2. The pin 1 is the fan, and then pin 3 is the what's the name? The fan. And that's basically it for the explanation for this entire section. I will go to Omar and he will explain the construction or the hardware of this project. My name is Yani Farisi Fatiuddin. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.